Welcome to Study Loop.
Solving part A of this problem. So here given that f naught is equal to 1 by p, which is equal to 1 by 25d, which is equal to 0.04 centimeter, and the value of f is equal to 1 by p, which is equal to 1 by 20d, which is equal to 0.05 meter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So as f naught is smaller than fe, he instrument must be the instrument must be a microscope. The instrument must be a microscope. Now going to solve part B. So here I can write the value of L is equal to V naught plus Fe. So from here V naught is equal to L minus Fe, which is equal to 25 minus 5, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Now on applying the Lorentz formula for objective lens, I can write 1 by V naught minus 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by F naught. On solving it further, I can write 1 minus 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 20. So finally I can write 1 by minus 1 by U naught is equal to 5 minus 1 by 20, which is equal to 4 by 20. On further simplification, I get the value of U naught is equal to 20 by 4, which is equal to 5 centimeter, and the magnification is equal to V naught by U naught multiplication D by Fe, which is equal to 20 by 5 multiplication 25 by 5, which is equal to 20 centimeter as the answer.